Hi everybody, this is part 2 of sending data over the internet. I just want to clarify that the last video I showed how to get the IP and send data from the server to the client, which is upload. Okay, so the mechanism that the previous video showed was in upload, and the problem with the upload is that the bitrate is less than download. Most of the ISP gives you 50, 100, and even more megabit in download, but in upload they give you, I don't know, less than 2 mega. So when you send data from here, from the server, between this machine, which is open with the router outside, if this machine will do send to the client on the remote, this will be upload. Only if this machine will do receive, this will be the download. So in this video, what we see here, this is a video that is receiving data from a remote camera or remote computer that broadcasts the clock, which means that the remote computer is sending me the data here, and I am do a binding and receiving the data, which means I'm in a download a part. So what we have here, I have the LA card network source. This is the LA card NW source plus. I just did a very simple render URL, okay, and I changed the demultiplexer latency value to 0 and connect to the decoder, the LCard video decoder and a video render. What things to know on the LCard is just I'm using the 64-bit version and graph edit this local machine entry in graph edit, and we need to look that decoded frame buffering is 0 and full decoded thread load is also 0. This will give us very low latency, and if I'm looking, and you don't see it here, but I'm looking on the clock on the different computer, it's kind of 300 millisecond delay between the clocks. So what we did here is I did a very simple UDP send from the remote computer to this IP. This is the IP here is open public, okay, but the local IP is 10.0.0.10. So we see here 10.0.0.10.6,000, but this IP address and port in UDP is port forward on the router. We don't see it here, but it's port forward. So we can broadcast video from a remote machine to this machine. What else can we do? And this is not final version. We can use Web RTC from AVObject, and it's not yet final, but it will give us another feature that this one will, the data will send remotely from the remote computer to here, and we will broadcast it to the local area network to this address, and this will give us the ability to go to a web browser and see the data. Okay, so we can see the data here. The problem is this one, something is a little bit broken, but it will be fixed soon. But this is a very, very simple and easy way to broadcast data from a remote camera and present it in a web page. Okay, very simple graph. I myself build my own graph, my own own receiver, but it didn't work well. So currently I'm using AVOcard. They have a very nice SDK. Okay, so I did render URL. This one is 0. Again, by the way, if I will render it here, it will use the Microsoft DTV, but I don't want the Microsoft DTV. I want the magnificent AVOcard decoder, which is probably the best decoder ever built in software, after checking many decoders. And we have the video running. And when the remote machine will be on the wireless or will be on the 3G or 4G, it will work the same. Okay, because this computer is open public. We can broadcast data from remote, very simple graph. This can be rolled up in C# and C++ as an application, and not just using the graph edit. And voila, we have a broadcast UDP over the video. This is one port for one video. 6,000. We can have many port open, and every client can have its own port to be distinguished very easy. So that's it. This is how to broadcast UDP from a remote computer to the server. This computer again is doing receive, and this is download. This is why it's fast. If it was upload in this environment, it was very slow. It was even not working. So having it in a download, okay, here we have it running very nicely. And what we see here, it's only AVOcard SDK filters. There is no mine SDK. The other computer is just sending data using UDP. You can also use on the remote computer. You can use AVOcard in NW render. So if you use, I'm using my own filter on the remote computer, but if you use this one, I believe it will work also. They have UDP and RTP, and etc. That's it. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.